Hi, my people, things they really happen. I hear say police don't arrest one landlord though. Say because say waiting, this landlord go kill a tenant's 3-month-old baby. And this matter what they talk about, it happened inside Bayelsa State. And based on what I hear say landlord they always assault this tenant, mama. I don't know behind like the boy, mama. Where we say make and they disturb this woman every time. And as so every small thing, landlord don't start fight with tenants. All of a sudden, this kind of fight now, I don't know what it cause him. But I hear say landlord come begin the shout, say, him go show this man pepper. And say, him use him mouth talk and say, that's him picking, that him baby we ain't getting. He must kill that baby. I don't know what the baby do this man. And as this man use him mouth talk and this man make sure say, him do am. My people beg, they can follow me watch.
Now the head reach touch ground. How you go?
I want to go down massage my place first. I want to go down massage. If he not come up, I don't know if he do anything. If he never come up, which hospital wants to? No, go down massage my place for down there.
Hi! Now God go save us from all this evil landlord. I beg, I don't even understand this whole matter. When they consign the baby for this whole fight, now person papa offend you. I been na the mama offend you. You know reason the fight go their side. Baby wey be say 3 months, pikin never even dey talk. If say the pikin even insult you, I go say okay fine, maybe the baby insult you. Pikin no do you anything, no even near you, now you come carry. I make a shock on know how this man take kill this pikin. They say carry this 3 months old baby, turn am upside down. And I know say if you carry pikin turn upside down, the blood go dey flow inside the head. After the whole thing, him come carry this pikin, use and knock for door. I beg no be wickedness, I be no be evil be this one. And with the look of this video, as I dey watch this man, he be like saying a drunkard 9B. I dey very certain say that landlord he no way. Because person wey dey okay, wey get house, dey in the right senses, he no go dey behave like this. And this one, he no even feel any remorse. That wetin dey vex me pass for the whole video. He see dey form right. I don't know wetin dey worry am. I been na evil spirits now don't enter in body, now come make and they behave like this. But if now also listen to this video, the mama don't give up on hospital. On the day when they talk say okay, carry this pikin go hospital. At least today she say okay, fine, no, this baby don't die. The woman say waiting hospital go do. Say she won't carry the baby go one kind place. On they see, I did very certain say the Bayelsa hospital they don't overfill this woman. Maybe in so many cases she don't go hospital. We say bring money, bring this one, and she no get. Maybe now why she decides okay, maybe she carry and go Alagbo place. But at least mommy, if we even at least try carry the pikin go hospital, maybe they try their best. If they come say okay fine, no, this pikin don't die, we go no say okay fine, the pikin don't die. But this one now, you won't carry go be an herbalist to be an Alagbo. I don't know where they carry and go. But me, I hear say this baby don't already die. So anyways, me I go talk say rest in peace to this innocent soul. But that landlord, they supposed to and shake it. He supposed die, in fact, die in house, make him just forget her because me I dey very certain say he go dwell inside that prison forever. So that house, me I just, in fact, they don't beroot am to the next family, but they just take him. And I hear say the papa of this baby, he talk say no one press charges, saying believe say God go fight for him. Oh, I hope say God go really fight for you because this matter it dey very wicked for a person to just reason death to a small baby, pikin wey no do am anything. Anyways, my people, now here I will take break on this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story. Wahala be like bicycle. Hey, I hear say one Oyinbo woman don't carry gun begin shoot everywhere. Say because say waiting some young boys try to rob her, and because of that one she can't decide say she must shoot them till they die. And based on reports what I hear say this woman they sell dog. Now then these boys can't come in the form say okay, oh then they won't come purchase dog, not knowing say then this set of people they mean armed robbers. Now then this guy go carry gun put for this woman head, and immediately this woman just try to attack them. My people beg, make na join me watch. These boys really get lucky. They suppose go to thank their star. Say this woman no even kill them. But I beg since when person begin carry gun now, you know go thief person with money. Now na dog, now na one the thief. And people who commit this crime based on information I get, I hear say they dey within the ages of 14, 16. I beg. Now so the dog important reach. When be say now na dog now won't go the thief. Now there I can't do further investigation. Can't realize say The dog with the thief, they say he worth $3,000 and $4,000. That one means say one dog they worth like 1.2 million. Really? On top dog, I don't know say dog na so dog also. But if na no so na they find out, if na for just write petition give Africa, we get so many bingos for road. When we say no even get house, we go just pack and donate them to you. If you want sell, you sell. If na chop, you want chop, and you chop them. Who come be say you go dey rob people, and I hear say inside Florida, na the latest way of stealing be that. Now they know they steal money, or they know they steal back na dog. I can't what is special for dogs now? Where be say people now can't they thief? Because this whole matter I don't even understand. But mommy we carry gun, I supposed to want the way where you shoot. I beg they shooting too much. Because this one you just they shoot like say they act film. If say the gun go keep person because I hear say they don't arrest these boys. If say the gun can't go meet one, we say the person can't. And I know in another case for come as I can't talk. If you come as and I call the talk say okay, oh, this woman don't keep person. She no even reason her own at the vexation say they carry her dog. Dog we no want anything. No person won't kill himself. But anyway, me I no pity than these boys. Because people they talk say they young, they not supposed to go court. You not supposed to go court. Now you go the thief. You know no say stealing a bad thing. Anything where they giving her for jail, make na accept them. Because whatever na get for that, now na use na I carry and go now na one good thief. So any judgment where they giving her, na go collect them. My people now here I go end them on this matter. Make na stay tuned for our next story. I hear say inside Ondo State, they don't start Operation Clean Up Ondo. This Operation Clean Up Ondo no be about cleaning the road, about anything. No. Now about wiping out all the criminals wey dey inside the state. And as it be in just one day, they don't catch 18 criminals. For una to see the amount of people wey dey go still catch. My people, make una follow me watch.
The suspects were arrested in furtherance to the command's determination to rid the state of criminals under Operation Clean Up Ondo State. According to the Amotekun Corps Commander Adetunji Adeleye, the suspects were arrested for offenses ranging from kidnapping, internet fraud, armed robbery, among others. The Amotekun Commander explained that the suspects will be charged to court after thorough investigation.
With the several operations that we are carried in the last 60 days on these people. So as we are going into another phase of Operation Cleanup, which we had commenced by the 1st of October, we feel that the whole of this set of criminals would quicken up the process of interrogation and send them to court of competent jurisdiction.
One of the suspects, simply identified as Samuel, was arrested for kidnapping the 4-year-old boy.
I know his father and I know his mother. I want to go sell and so that I go use and get money.
Mr. Adeleye said efforts are on to arrest other fleeing suspects.
Ha! This one they very good to me. At least we don't say Amotekun they work. At least if everybody they misbehave, one security people they work. So now all these kind of people now they terrorize the streets. I'm making a look these people, young boys, future leaders, some na kidnappers, some na Yahoo boys. I beg wait on the game for all these kind of things when they do. Because no be say last when they even see better money from all these things. And the kidnapper only they talk say the money he won't use and game, he won't because he won't game. I beg how much they won't pay you. Every person will go adopt pikin say how much they pay. Talk less of say you won't concert the pikin, how much they won't give you. Last this money go finish. I don't know why I know they think. And the way when they even take go carry this pikin, I know they fear. Say if they catch on, what it go be the repercussion. Now when this our youth, and they really fear them. Because the kind things what they do, the kind measures what they go to just to get money, they really fear me. But as they bring this one, I hope say other states say they go imitate from them. Because now I know say this one where they bring it good at least see you just one day they don't catch person. Make na come imagine say this kind of Operation Clean Up Lagos can't enter. Me I know say our Lagos people they go misuse them because SARS we still they won't fight that one. But make na come imagine and say make this one can go Operation Clean Up Abuja Abia Sorok. Oh, I sure say boo boo inside go enter. I sure say they go arrest them because now know say all those places now there all the big thieves there. But government make na clarify something for me. Now I know they understand everybody work. I beg what to be the work of police. What to be the work of army? Because this one where they happen now Amotekun. They actually say Amotekun na local police people. How come now then Congo they catch Yahoo boys? They catch kidnappers. I don't even understand this our country again. I beg make na clarify. Make we know what people they do. Make people not come they harass people anyhow. Because now Pacific go thief now, you go see say na Amotekun. Now you can arrest her. I beg wetin concern Amotekun and this one. Anyway, this one when I carry come, me I like the idea. Hope say other people say if they go imitate them. My people, now here I go end am on this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story.